Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Wholesale Price Index. Why in news? The Union government recently constituted an 18-member working group under the chairmanship of Niti Aayog member Ramesh Chand to revise the Wholesale Price Index base year from 2011-12 to 2022-23. The revision of the base year helps in presenting a more realistic picture of the price situation in the country. What is Wholesale Price Index? WPI is a key indicator to measure the average change in prices of a fixed set of commodities at the initial stage of a commercial transaction over a given period of time with reference to a base year. It measures the changes in the prices of goods sold and traded in bulk by wholesale businesses to other businesses. Published by the Office of Economic Advisor, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It is the most widely used inflation indicator in India. Major criticism for this index is that the general public does not buy products at wholesale price. Ever since the introduction of the WPI in 1942 with the base year 1939, 7 revisions have taken place introducing new base years 1952-53, 1961-62, 1970-71, 1981-82, 1993-94, 2004-5 and 2011-12. The current WPI base year 2011-12 series was launched in May 2017. About working group. A member of the government's top think tank, Ramesh Chand, will be the chairperson of the working group. The panel will include 17 other members drawn from ministries, the Reserve Bank of India and the private sector, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The group will suggest the commodity basket of the WPI and producer price index with base year 2022-23 in the light of structural changes in the economy. It will review the existing system of price collection and suggest changes for improvement. Other functions for the working group include deciding on the computational methodology to be adopted for the WPI and producer price index. What is the difference between WPI and CPI? WPI tracks inflation at the producer level and consumer price index captures changes in prices levels at the consumer level. Both baskets measure inflationary trends, the movement of price signals within the broader economy. The two indices differ in which weightages are assigned to food, fuel and manufactured items. WPI does not capture changes in the prices of services while CPI does. In WPI, more weightage is given to manufactured goods while in CPI, more weightage is given to food items. Base year of WPI is 2011-2012 while for CPI is 2012. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about WPI. Wholesale price index tracks inflation at the consumer level. Published by the Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.